I think too many people call themselves professional cleaners without having the required skills, knowledge or experience to back it up. We advise our members to follow our code of practice. It gives assurance to customers that they are receiving the best quality service and sets the bar for a high standard that we must aim to maintain. To be a professional cleaner, you need training on a variety of specialised skills, tools, chemicals and materials. You must also have integrity and, most importantly, the accountability for your services. The cleaning industry boasts many hard-working, skilled and highly experienced professionals, but they need support and a framework that recognises their dedicated input. This is what we hope to achieve with our code of practice, because in the end it's up to us in cleaning to show what professionalism looks like in our sector and set the bar where we want it.